your fly mask? Where'd it go? Here they come. Jude and Tiny are ready to eat. Delilah thinks she's getting some too. Finn came today. Finny, come on. Now he's gonna help me scoop the grain. Cruiser gets a scoop in half. And he gets the black tub. June and Tiny get the green tub. And June also gets a scoop and a half. And Tiny, he's thoroughbred, so he gets a scoop and 3/4. And they all get the Tribute Calm Ultra. Come on in, Cruiser. Cruiser's got his grain, so now we gotta get June and Tiny theirs. June's up next. She's waiting patiently. She got bread last week, so hopefully there's a little baby cooking in there. June, come on in. Now I got Tiny's ready. He's gonna come up and get some. Giving him lots of grain so he can build a nice top line and get all chunky again. Yeah, good boy. I found Cruiser's fly mask, and we found Miss June's too. June's all finished eating. Now we're just, that was not nice. Now we're just waiting on Tiny to finish. And Cruiser, he's in there. Kirk, are you watching the kittens? Cruiser can't help but grab hay on his way out. There you go, big boy. Ah, Cruiser, don't be mean to the kittens. Out you go. Oh, Mr. Lazy Boy, come on. Come on, give him a push. Peyton's going down there to open the red gate. So Miss Delilah and Bandit and Brandy and Oakley can come on in. Tiny and Cruiser are doing a good job cleaning up Mr. Tiny's mess. We've had his teeth checked and everything. He's just a spiller, I guess. Here comes Delilah. Finny ran away, but he came back.